Eh?
That maybe if you leave it, it'll get a bit bigger, but for the first
No,
one...
I don't think so.
You think not? Let's put it from the side. You can see it nicely from the side.
Oh, look at that. Open it more, like deeper. Like deeper
Once
in.
I peel it, like I keep
Peel it down.
Put down.
Yes.
Yo.
Woo! That is done.
Look how big those
That
are.
is cooked. Okay. That is done. Woo-wee! Wow. Okay, break it off. Let's break it off. Break it off the stem, like at the bottom. Yes! Oops.
Yeah!
Ooh!
Yeah!
It's not popcorn, it's it's corn.
Corn? Thank you.
Nice. That wasn't gonna get any bigger. It's tiny though, yo. Under that old wrap.
Hey.
That's still for homegrown.
Yeah, for homegrown.
Homegrown, very first one.
Anna.
Missing a few.
Missing a few.
So maybe leave it a little bit longer.
The missing kernels on the cob are due to poor pollination. I later found out that I can hand pollinate my corn, so this is something that I'll definitely do in the near future.
Mommy.
It's mostly there. It's almost
Yay! Yay!
For our first try though.
this one, yeah.
For the first one.
Sure. This whole thing is just like
Wrapped, eh?
it's protected.
Papa! Yay!
Wow.
Man!
Levels of the wrap.
Mm.
Which grows out.
Thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned and subscribe for more upcoming content on how I build my vegetable garden as a brand new gardener for sustainable wealth. Until next time, keep growing.